start that over. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some unboxings or some stuff I've gotten in the last couple of days. So I'm going to share that with you, and there's not going to be, today's going to be a handsy video because Hyla doesn't have any makeup on. So I finally got part of my Temu order, not any of the big stuff I ordered. This is the stuff that was stuck in customs forever. All right, I got these blue gemstones. I just thought these were so pretty. They're royal blue. They are gold on the back side. The front side doesn't look like it. Gold. So, I don't know why the lighting's so bad. Super pretty. So pretty. And I got some more of the bottles for the glue. I just hope those aren't too small. It's one of the things I was worried about. I did like these long skinny bottles though. So yeah, and that is really small there. So that was just one of the things I was concerned about. And then I got a 2-pack of these squeegees, scrapers. I have a small one, but sometimes I want a bigger one and see if these work well for vinyl and cardstock and such. And I was looking for these. I found a roller, and I realized I keep needing to get a roller and I never get one. I don't know if this one's going to be any good or not. But we will see. Then I also got these gemstones. These are all different colors. Again, these are gold on the back side. I think that'll be okay as long as you don't see that unless I'm using it on gold. But there's black. I'm not sure if that's gold or champagne. A light blue, there's green, there's pink, there's royal blue, red. So pretty. There's a lavender too, if I can find one. Let's get them all out. There it is. Actually, I thought I got 2 different kinds of bottles, but I guess not. Because I wanted some with the funnel. Maybe not. I can't remember. I don't know what's in here though either. I remember what this is. This is supposed to be for the clothes rack, you know, the new clothes rack I got, to clip some of the braids on. That will work really, really well for that. They had different ones, different sizes. I can still use it on this one, this broken one that I have, but I really wanted my new one. That's really cool. Looks like I got 2 of them. I don't remember getting 2. I don't remember my order all that well, except for the 2 big things that I did not get. But I think this will work great for all of that. For putting braids on, you could use it for feather boas, anything like that. Now, I got these for my glitter cardstock, but I actually ended up finding something from Hobby Lobby this week. And I'll try to take a little picture of that at the end of this video because I've already got it organized and on the bookshelf. So these are just like holders for cardstock, and they're like this, and they're the half, you know, the ones that slanted, and you can put papers or whatever, but I'm not going to put them together to show you. I want to keep them like this until I find a use for them. It'll be much easier to store these, but they're plastic. Most of them I saw were cardboard. These are a thin plastic, so I thought they would hold up better, but I actually found something off Hobby Lobby that I wanted more. That was on clearance. So this is all my... Disappointed in this. I need to look and see. Maybe I just got this. But I thought I got some with the funnels. But I did want these. I remember wanting these skinny bottles, but I was thinking that I got 2 different kinds. Those up. These are going to go over here with my Cricut supplies. Cricut and Cameo supplies. Well, and I'll put these up in a little bit. All right. I also got some feathers from Zucker. Not a lot, just a few. Try not to show my address here. They take these up really well. I need something else. There we go. Oh, that's nice. They put that there so when you cut, you're not cutting through the feathers. When you cut through these top flaps. Very smart. Very appreciative. My invoice. All right, this is all I got. I got some white ones and some black ones. I got 6 of the Marabou. These are the lightest weight ones you have. Now they are very thin. I wasn't sure. I Was debating on going with the medium and the light. If I get another paw print mum, at least I have some black to use. And I figured I'd probably have to double them up. I wasn't sure. But they are really, really thin. And these are the medium weight feather boas. So this is what the medium weight looks like. And I should have 3 of these. But I'm wanting one for my quad mom. And then I wanted to have a couple extras for any other senior moms I get. So we'll have to fluff these up a little bit. But I really am happy with the medium weight. I think these look really, really pretty. So next time I would definitely get the medium weight on these. Buying 6, you get them really, really cheap. They were like $2 a piece or something. So, and I think they're longer than what you would get in any store. So double them up like that. I wasn't wanting any really bushy ones if I'm going to make, you know, for a paw print mom. So that's why I was thinking these would be better. We'll see. All right, I'm going to put those back in there for now. Three each, medium weight. Nope. Here we go. And these. I don't get a lot of people that request feather boas, so I'm not getting a bunch, but if somebody wants a specialty one, I'll just have to order when they want it. Okay. And then Hobby Lobby, I had to get some more cardstock. I've ordered some more cardstock from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, but I also had to buy some colors that they have at Hobby Lobby. And of course they had clearance. So I've always wanted a crocodile and I haven't had one. They're kind of pricey, you know, that's usually $25. So now it's $12.50. So half price. And then they had a whole bunch of different hole punches and even the big, you know, the round ones. They had several of those. This one is I have one that's a rectangular shape, and this one was a butterfly. I just thought that would be cute if I need to hole punch something for somebody and have that cute little butterfly. Goes with my crafty bug. And a little wooden tag. Those were 32 cents. This was 87 cents. These gems, adhesive gems, were 62 cents. I thought those were really pretty. This is something I've wanted to get, and they were pricey as well. It's $24 regularly, and it was $11.99, so $12. They had a lot of Fiskars stuff on clearance too. And I also got this. This is a vinyl applicator too. So they had vinyl, Fiskars vinyl stuff on clearance. I can get it out of there. I'm going to put that in. So that's like rubbery. And then you've got your scraper sides. So I thought that would be a neat little tool too. So besides the two, and I'll show you the box too. Let me show you that. It's the We Are Memory Keepers brand. You see they're normally $23 and I paid $10 a piece for them. And you get 4, so I got 2 of these. So 8 fit perfectly on my bookshelf. I actually wish I had a couple of more because I had to put like the pinks and purples together and the black and whites together, but it's much more organized and I think easier to get to than what it was. It takes up more room though, since I've got them laying flat like this instead of this way, but I do like it much better. So you can get as many as you want, stack them up. I just happen to have 2 boxes and that was perfect. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of 3 different things. And yeah, I hope you will like, share, subscribe, do all that YouTube-y stuff, as my friend Lindy says. Thanks for watching, and subscribe again, please. I appreciate it. Don't forget to tap that bell when you subscribe. And happy mom making, happy crafting, everyone. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. I almost forgot about the burgundy diamond dust I got yesterday. And I got some of the gold stripe too. Here is the label. And here's the label on this one. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? I just happen to have a roll of the burgundy luster right there. Look at that. Looks good. Alright, here's my shelves. Here's my glitter cardstock. So see how much more organized it is? Doesn't it look good? Make y'all dizzy. Much more organized, easier to get to. Oh, and the white diamond dust. I got that the day before. You do have to back it. When you layer this on something, you are going to have to back it up with white luster. I really, really love it. It's so pretty.